Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the MDM Minute. Today is a incredible, exciting day for myself and this team. For the last 3 years, I have been working on a project, and I've alluded to it on many different occasions, on bringing something again to the world that is beautiful, powerful, very simple to use, and just mind-blowing, the stuff that science fiction books are written about. And today I received the prototypes for the Vita Navitus. Now, I've been talking on a few different videos over the last couple of years about this product, and I've actually released some sketches of what it's looked like. But if you haven't seen it, these are an ancient pair of healing rods, unlike anything you have ever seen. One will utilize scalar technology, and the second will utilize tachyon technology to help heal the body, mind, and spirit. These are hand-forged. Look how incredibly beautiful these are. So there's a tremendous amount of stuff going on with these, and I'm going to start with the basics. These are heavy. They are hand forged, hand stamped copper and silver. Each one is uniquely different from the other. On the ends, we have lab grown crystals in a certain structure. This is green and red. On the center, we have 3 stamps of the source symbol, and on the top copper band, we have 3 of the I am stamped. On the bottom, we have 3 of the I am stamped. So each one has 6 different I am stamped, plus the sign for it. My hand's shaking. This thing is just vibrating like absolute crazy. And on the second one, they're just putting out so much energy. It's like frying my brain. Here we have a yellow crystal. We have a blue crystal. And again, I mean, they're just masterfully crafted. They're absolutely beautiful. These will come out much better when I have them professionally photographed. But so they come as a set. These will be available probably in the November time frame in limited quantities. But the idea behind them is you'll hold one in each hand, and as we move through, oh my God, they're just vibrating like crazy. They're just happy. I've been talking about these all the way back to 2017 when the idea came to me, and now they're here, and they're just, they're indescribable. I mean, just the detail and the hand craftsmanship in here is just insane. And the crystals are just screaming. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna go meditate on these for a while if I can. Look at the detail. Oh my God, it's absolutely stunningly beautiful. I'll be doing more videos on these in the upcoming weeks. This was just a kind of an opening box to look at them, and they're absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is Vita Navitus, Healing Energy. These will be coming to a reality near you in the very near future. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.